In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down menu field to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat and load the PDF you want to work with. If this is an important document, it's a good idea to work on a copy so you can keep your original unchanged. With your file open, head to the top left and click All Tools. This opens a panel with everything you need for form building. From the tools list, choose Prepare a Form. Acrobat will switch into form editing mode and show a toolbar tailored for interactive fields. Click Create to begin. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your PDF if it isn't already chosen. Acrobat may offer to detect form fields automatically. That can be helpful, but you can always add or adjust fields yourself. Now, look for the drop-down list tool in the Prepare Form toolbar. Its icon typically looks like a small list with a down arrow. Click that tool to activate it, then move your cursor over the page, click and drag to draw the drop-down field exactly where you want it on the form. Release the mouse to place it. You can resize or reposition it later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Before editing its properties, switch your cursor to the selection tool so you can interact with the field you just placed. You can do this by choosing the select or hand-shaped cursor from the toolbar. With the selection tool active, double-click the drop-down field you added. This opens the Field Properties dialog where you'll set up its name and options. On the General tab, give the field a clear descriptive name so it's easy to identify later, especially if your form has many fields. You can also add a helpful tooltip that explains what users should choose in this menu. Next, go to the Options tab. Here's where you add the actual choices that will appear in the dropdown. Type a sample choice in the item field and add it to the list. Repeat to build out all the options you need. Keep labels short and consistent and arrange them in a logical order. If you have a most common choice, set it as the default to speed up form completion. You can also reorder items to group related choices together. That's it. You've placed a dropdown, given it a meaningful name, and added the list items users will select from. Your PDF is now equipped with a clean, professional dropdown menu ready for form filling.